Hello everybody, hello boys and girls. I'm so excited to do a new activity with you today. So before earlier, we were reading this book, right? And then we saw why bees are so important for the earth. Because they help to grow flowers and plants and vegetables and fruits. So we can not only help grow fruits and vegetables by planting seeds, but the bees are also very important to make new plants and flowers, right? So now how do they do that? So the bees come out of their home and then they fly, they buzz to a flower, they take the pollen and then they go to the next flower and they pollinate the flower, which means they put the pollen, right? And that's how they help new flowers and plants grow. But the bees, they also make something else, another food, very, very delicious. The honeybees, they make very delicious, yummy honey, right? So now they go out of the beehive, they fly into the flowers, and they don't only collect the pollen, they also collect the nectar. So they take it and put it in their little tiny honey stomach. They put it in there, go back to the beehive and put the nectar in the beehive. And then the beekeepers will help us make honey. They take care of the bees and the beehive and then they make honey. And then when we go to the supermarket, we can buy honey like this in bottles, right? Yummy! So now I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious treat with honey. So here I already have some things prepared for you. You can make this easily at home as well. All you need is a blender. And we need a banana, some oatmeal, some milk, any milk that you like to drink, and of course honey. Okay, so now I'm going to show you step by step on how to make a very delicious honey energy shake, because bears like to eat honey as well, right? And they're super strong. So now let's make a honey energy shake so maybe we can be strong like a bear. What do you think? Okay, so first we're going to take our blender and put in our banana. Now I already washed my hands. It's very important. Wash your hands first, please, before you make your food, before you prepare it, because we need to be careful of the dirty germs, right? Bye-bye dirty germs, you remember. So now we're going to open the banana. I use one small banana for this. And we're going to put it inside the blender. Do you see? Plop. If you want, you can cut it first, but no need, the blender is really strong, so it will all mash it up. Now, next we're going to put in some milk. Now, you can put as much milk as you like. If you put more, then your shake will be bigger, right? So now let's put some milk inside. Okay. Can you see? Out here, right? Okay, next we're going to put the oatmeal. Oatmeal is really healthy as well, and it will help to make your shake thicker. So now, for this, for the oatmeal, I don't want to measure it. You can check by yourself. You can put a little bit, then it will be more thin and runny. But if you want a thick shake, if you prefer drinking thick shakes, then you just put some more. So if you don't like it after the first try, you can add some more. So first, maybe just put half. Don't put everything, right? Because it's easier to add more. And then we're going to squeeze in some honey, right? So now I'm not using a spoon because then we're going to lose some honey on the spoon, and I don't want to waste any of this delicious honey. So now we're going to just make a small squeeze a little bit of honey inside. also, again, like with the oatmeal, don't put too much right away. Put a little bit, try it. If it's not sweet enough, you can add some more. Okay, here, a small squeeze, and we close it. And now it's time to blend all of the ingredients. So we need to close, twist. So you might have a different blender at home, so it might be a little bit different. Please ask an adult to help you with this part. Ask an adult to help you blend the smoothie, okay? So I'm going to put it, ready, make sure that it's closed, if not it will splash everywhere and we don't want that, right? So now let's start by pressing 1. And you just have a look when you see all of the ingredients are mixed up together, then you can stop a little bit more. Okay, let's see. I think I would like it a little bit thicker maybe, but let's see first. Maybe let's have a look inside. Very runny, so I'm gonna add some more oatmeal. Okay, add the rest of the oatmeal. Okay, and let's try again. Close it carefully. Whoop. Okay, I think it's closed properly. Again, turn, twist, and press 1. I think this looks perfect. Now let's have a look. I also have a jar here to put in the shake, our energy shake. Now let's transfer it carefully, right, so we don't spill into our drinking jar or drinking cup. Looks delicious. It smells delicious too. And we close it. And last, what do you think comes next? We need to try. It's delicious. So now while I here enjoy my smoothie, my protein shake, my energy shake, you can maybe make your own at home. I hope you have fun and then we're going to be strong just like a bear, right? Okay, bye bye. Hope you like this activity.